And we will eat the oil again before we fry the tofu. Hi, mega shout out. You can see me, guys. But the most important is you can see what I am going to cook, of course. So I will wash my uh, chopping board and my knife first. While I'm waiting to preheat my oil. Now I will start to fry my tofu. Yeah. You can see my ingredients here. Got pepper, got paprika, got garlic herbs and garlic granules, a little bit oyster, and apple cider vinegar. That is the seasoning for my ingredients. Woo! I will on my exhaust fan, guys. It's too hot. Alright, so while I am going to waiting for my tofu going to brown, I will set aside, I will dry my cup or bowl on the things that I use it. Well, I'm going to slice. Oh, English yun ah! Pasensya na kayo, hindi ako marunong masyadong mag-English. Sorry guys ah! I make a sound, guys. This one. Oh, see guys? Hello everyone. Shout out to pre-retirement. Shout out to Aramia. Shout out to Tita Ganda. Shout out to Tita Ganda. Shout out to Mami Lurul. Mega shout out to all of you. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. Yes, that's it.